we have just a couple of things we want to show you guys today. First one here we have is a 4-piece Lilo and Stitch set. This is the one that we currently have on the site. So you can see there's 4 enamel pins and it comes on a beautiful card. We also have a 4-piece Cinderella set. This one features 3 different mice from Cinderella and 2 of the birds. This also comes on a beautiful card. And it is a limited release from Loungefly. Let's put that back here. And then third item we want to show today is these mystery blind boxes from Loungefly. This one features 6 different characters. So we have here Elvis Stitch, we have here a Galactic Stitch, a Hula Stitch, a Stitch that got electrocuted, and a Karate Stitch, and a regular Stitch. Today we're going to be opening up one of these boxes here. So I already opened up this one because I was curious to see what I get, or if it'd be difficult to open. So we're going to put him here so you guys can see that. And then we're going to open up another box. They have like a little slit up here. It's a lot easier so you don't need scissors. So for this one, Loungefly, you see here we got Karate Stitch. And then here's a closer look at the Hula Stitch. It's important to remember that one pin does come in a box. So if you're planning to get one of these, you might want to get a couple to see if you can get the one you want, or if you can possibly trade with other people for any of the in the set. Let's put those here for now. And the last item I want to show you today is this Stitch Loungefly bag. This one is on the website, and it is one of the only items that we don't have sold out. This is retails for $75. The backpack straps, pocket here, standard pocket here, here for some small items,